Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabets which we already learned in previous classes LKG, UKG and nursery class. So today we are as per revision we are going to learn this alphabet. So how to write alphabets with the proper manner, good handwriting and good shape or size. Maintain your shape or size when you are writing the alphabets. So how to write in proper way? Let's see. Okay, let's learn alphabets. Okay, these are the four lines in your notebook. These are the four lines. Means 1, 2, 3 or 4 lines in your notebook. So how to write capital letter or small letter in 4 lines with correctly? So let's see. So first we write here A to Z alphabet. So first letter is A. So how to write A? Let's see. Look here. These are the four lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. So go to the top and then draw slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. After that go to the top again and draw again slanting line in this way, and after that we are going to middle line, and after that we are draw a sleeping line in this way. So it is A. It is what? Capital A. Okay, after that capital A, after that we will write the next word which is small a. It is capital A. We will see the small a. So how to write small a? Let's see. It is seeker. In this way you draw the seeker. Okay. After that a standing line here and small curve like this. Okay. Draw the small curve like that, and it is what? Small a. In this way you write the capital A and small a. After that, what is the letter of after B? A. It is B. What is the letter? Which is the letter? It is B. So how to write B in proper manner? Let's see. Draw the standing line in this way. After that we will write your D curve. Which curve? D curve, and in this way you write a B. Which letter is this? B. B says B. Okay, it is the small b. So after that we will learn small b. Draw the standing line and join your D curve. In this way you write small and capital B. So what is the next word after B? What is the letter? Which is the letter? C. So how to write C? Let's see. Go to the top and draw C curve. In this way you write C letter. It is the capital C. So how to write small c? Let's see. Go to the middle two lines and draw like this only. It is the small c. Okay, after that which letter comes? After that a D letter comes. So how to write D? Let's see. Go to the top and draw the line in this way. Draw this standing line, and after that a D curve like this only. Draw a D curve like this, and after that it is the small d, and after that so it is the capital D, and after that we write a small d. So how to write small d? Let's see. Go to the top, draw the standing line and connect here a C curve. Okay, in this way you write the small d. Okay, understand? So let's read it once again. Capital A, small Okay, go to the top again. Draw the standing line, and in this way you draw the sleeping line in three lines. Okay, in this way you write capital E. Okay, after that we will learn here small letter small e. So draw the C curve first, and in this way you write the E, small e. In this way you write the small e. After that we learn next letter. Which is the next letter? It is F. It is F. So how to write F? Let's see again. Draw the standing line and touch to the third number line. After that here is one sleeping line. After that next line one sleeping line. It is the capital F. It is the capital F. So after that we will learn small f. So let's see. Okay, look here. After that, in this way you write a small f. You write the small f. Okay, now which is the next letter? Tell me. It is G. It is what? G. So let's see. Draw the C curve. Draw the one line here, and after that a small sleeping line. In this way you write G, capital G letter. Okay. After that we will see the small g. Okay. Make the circle here and standing line and small curve. It is the right way of G writing. It is the right way of G. It is the small g. It is capital or it is small. After that, which letter comes? H. So how to write H? Let's see. Go to the top and draw standing line in this way. Again go to the top and draw standing line in this way, and in the middle line here is the sleeping line. It is capital H. It is what? Capital H. After that we will see a small h. Go to the top and draw standing line, and like this. You draw like this. So it is H. It is what? H. Okay. After that we will learn again this letter. So A, capital A or small a says A. Capital B or small b says B. Capital C or small c says K. Capital D or small d says D. Capital E or small e says A. Not E says I and anything. E says A. Capital F or small f says F. Capital G or small g says G. Capital H, small h says H. Okay, after that after we will write here next letter. Which is the next letter? It is I. It is which letter? I. So how to write I? Let's see. Okay, go to the top line and draw sleeping line here. Okay, again you join the middle line and draw like this, and another slanting line to join this standing line. Okay, it is the it is the capital I. Okay, next which letter? A small I. So how to write? It is so easy. So how to write it? In middle two lines we will draw a standing line, small standing line, and here is the word dot. Like this you write capital I, small I. Okay, after that which letter comes? After I, which letter comes? It is the J. So how Here is the small K. It is the small, sorry, it is the capital J. And how to write small j? Let's see. In middle, in second number line, we will draw the fourth number line. It is the capital J. It is the right way to write capital or small j. After that, after j, which letter comes? It is a K. So how to write K? Let's see. Go to the top, draw the standing line in this way. Okay. After that, how to write? Go to the top again, and here is the slanting line. Connect to the middle line and go to the third number line. In this way, you write the capital K letter. After that, we will write the small k. After that, we will write here a small k. So how to write? Let's see. Go to the top again. Draw the standing line. Okay. In middle two lines, we will draw the slanting line like this only. It is the small k. It is small k or capital K. So how to write it? Are you understand? Okay. Let's see next letter, which is which letter that? L. So how to write L? Let's see. It is very easy. Go to the top, draw the standing line and touch to the third number line and draw here a sleeping line. In this way, you write L letter. Okay, in this way you write L, capital L letter. And after that, we will learn which letter? Small l. It is just a standing line. It is not any letter. It is just a standing line. It is a small a. It is a small a. Okay, are you understand how to write the letters? So let's learn once again. Let's read once again this letter A to L. Okay, capital A, small a says A. Capital B, small b, B says B. Capital C, small c, C says K. Capital D, small d, D says D. Capital E, small e, E says A. Capital F, small f, F says F. Capital G, small g, G says G. Capital H, small h, H says H. Capital I, small I says E. Capital J, small j, J says Z. Capital K, small k, K says K. Or last here, capital L, small l, L says L. Okay, after L, which letter comes? Okay, let's see. It is M letter. So how to write M? Let's see here. Go to the top, draw the standing line. After that, go to the top again and draw the slanting line. In this way, two slanting lines connect here. Sorry. In this way, you draw the slanting lines, and after that, here is one another standing line. It is the capital M. It is what? Capital M. After that, we will learn a small letter. After that, we will learn which? Small letter. So, how to write small m? In this way, you write the small m. Okay, like this only you write the small m. Okay, after M, which letter comes? It is N. And how to write N? Let's see. Go to the top, draw the standing line. After that, go to the top again, draw the slanting line and go to the top. In this way, you write the N letter. It is capital N. So, and how to write small n? Let's see. You write in this way a small letter. It is N. Okay? Understand all of you? letters. After that, after O letter, which letter comes? It is P. So how to write P? Let's see. Draw the go to the top and draw standing line. Okay, after that we connect to the D curve in the middle line, and after that it is complete P. Okay, it is completed. So next letter is small p. So how to write small p? Let's see. Go to the second line and draw standing line, and after that connect here D curve. It is small p. In this way you write the letters. Okay, so let's read again in letters A from A to P. A, capital A, small a says and. Capital B, small b says b. Capital C, small c says k. Capital D, small d says d. Capital E, small e says a. Capital F, small f says f. Capital G, small g says g. Capital H, small h says h. Capital I, small I says e. Capital J, small j says z. Capital K, small k says k. Capital L, small l says l. Capital M, small m says m. Capital N, small n says n. Capital O, small o says o, not o. O says o. And capital P, small p says p. Now we learn next letters in that side. Okay. So how to write which is the letter comes P? It is Q. So how to write Q? Let's see. Okay, go to the top and draw a circle in this way and small line here. In this way you write the Q. In this way you write the capital Q. After that we will learn a small q. Go to the middle line, draw the C curve. In this way you draw the standing line like this. In this way you write the small q. After that, which letter comes? It is R. It is what? R. So how to write R? Let's see. Go to the top and draw standing line. Here small curve in the middle line, and here is the slanting line. It is R. It is what? Capital R. And you small I, in this way you write here. It is the small r. Now tell me which is the next letter? It is S. It is what? S. So how to write it? In this way you write the S. Okay, and small s, in this way you write it. Okay. After that, which letter comes? It is T. So go to the top and draw slanting line and connect to the middle. Draw here a standing line. It is the capital T. Okay, after that we will write here a small t. So how to write? Let's see. Go to the top again. Draw the standing line. It is small curve, and go to the middle line. Here is the small sleeping line. In this way you write the T letter. Okay. After that, which letter comes? It is U. So draw here only U curve. Are you know the U curve? In this way you write the U curve in these three lines. Okay. Okay. Now which letter comes? It is small u. So how to write small u? Let's see. Go to the middle line and draw in this way u. What you write? U, small u. After that, which letter come? It is V. Okay, so let's see how to write V. Go to the top, draw slanting line third number line. It is the capital V. And so how to write a small v? Let's see again. Go to the middle two lines and draw slanting line in this way. It is a small v. It is what? Small v. Okay, again, which is the letter next? Which is the next letter? W. So how to write W? Let's see. Go to the top, draw standing line in this way. After that, go to the top again in this way. Draw slanting line here. After that, go to the top again. Draw slanting line here. And after that, draw a standing line. In this way, you write the capital W. After that, we will learn small w. Go to the middle line, draw a standing line, go to the next. Okay. In this way, you write the small and capital W. Okay, next letter which? X. So how to write X? Go to the top and draw slanting line and go here and draw slanting line in this way. It is a capital X. Okay, after that we will learn a small x. Go to the middle line and draw x like this only. Okay, after that which letter come? It is Y. It is what? Y. So how to write Y letter? Okay, let's see. Go to the top, draw slanting line in till middle line. Again you go to the top, draw slanting line, and after that you draw the standing line. In this way you write the capital Y. Okay, so how to write small y? Let's see. Go to the middle two lines and connect to the fourth number lines. In this way you write the small y. And lastly we will learn a last letter which is Z. So how to write Z? Sleeping line, slanting line, after that sleeping line in 3 lines. Okay, after that we will learn a small Z. Let's learn. In middle 2 lines, sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping line. In this way you write the alphabet. So let's learn. Let's read it once again. These alphabets. Okay. Say after me. Capital A, small a says A. Capital B, small b, B says B. Capital C, small c, C says K. Capital D, small d, D says D. Capital E, small e, says A. Capital F, small f, says F. Capital G, small g, says G. Capital H, small h, says H. Capital I, small I says E. Capital J, small j, says Z. Capital K, small k, says K. Capital L, small l, says L. Capital M, small m, says M. Capital N, small n, says N. Capital O, small o, says O. Capital P, small p, says P. Capital Q, small q, says Q. Capital R, small r, says R. Capital S, small s, says S. Capital T, small t, says T. Capital U, small u, says O. Capital V, small v, says W. Capital W, small w, says W. Capital X, small x, capital Z, small z, z says Z. Okay, in this way you write the